Welcome to this Untitled Get Started video. When you get your Untitled kit, you will receive a tablet and you'll get the Meta Quest 3 headset. Go ahead and unpack the headset. And the controllers. Now, you need to put in the batteries in the controllers, and just below the circular surface, you will see a triangular button, which releases the battery lid. Now put in a AA. Same goes for the other controller. Find the little triangle button, take off the lid, and put in a AA battery. Now the controllers are ready. And we'll need to charge the headset. On the left side, you will find a USB-C port. Use the cable that came along in the box. On the tablet, you will also find a USB-C port. Plug it in and let it charge. You will see an icon on the tablet and also a little light on the headset that indicates it's being charged. Now we want to connect the two units, the tablet and the headset. So we're going to need to put in a data SIM card in the SIM card tray, and you'll need a tool, a SIM card tool or a pointy-like object, size of a needle. Take out the SIM tray, put in the Nano SIM card, goes in the end. It only fits one way, has one corner which is cut off. So it should be easy not to put it in the wrong way. Now put the tray back in. Now in the upper right corner, you will see you have access to the data. Now on the tablet, you can swipe up and find settings. And under connections, we will go to the Mobile Hotspot and tethering and activate Mobile Hotspot. Now you can turn on your headset. On the left side, beneath the USB-C charging port, you'll find the on-off button. Put on your headset and pick up the right controller. Now using the Meta app placed under the mushroom on the top of the controller, let you activate the menu. Using your trigger finger will let you activate any app on the surface. Here we see settings. The little joypad above the Meta button lets you scroll up and down in the menus. Below the menu bar, there's a little white line. Use your trigger finger, hold it in, and you'll be able to move the bar around and find the most suitable place for it. Just above the white line, you have a second white line that expands and turns into settings. Now, using your trigger finger, holding it in, you'll be able to move that window around, and X marks the spot, close the window. And using the meta button, which is located just beneath the mushroom on top, lets you recalibrate the menu bar. Now we want to connect the tablet to the Wi-Fi. So use the meta button, go into the menu and select settings. Now in the left side, scroll up a bit, find Wi-Fi. In this picture, the Wi-Fi is blacked out for security reasons, but you should be able to scroll down a bit and find your Wi-Fi. Insert your password, and you're connected. Open Untitled, and once again, push open. Now you'll see the Untitled app start up. And you'll be able to create a session. Now you can name this session anything you want. Push the meta button just below the mushroom on top. And go ahead and find the Untitled app. Should be in the menu bar. And they're connecting. And here we have the session created before called Default Room. Go ahead and push the Default Room button, and you're joining. Now we're just gonna bring up picture in picture just to let you see. In the upper left corner, we have the tablet where you're able to do all the different things. So the one wearing the headset will be able to see what happens if you change the visual acuity or decrease the peripheral vision or put in central scotomas, or if you have RP. So this is some of the stuff you can do. You can choose different settings. Right now we're in a living room. We'll also do a video with in-depth possibilities of the app and explain all the stuff you can do. Like here, a kitchen sink without a light and with the light. So it's a big difference. A dresser with a lot of clothes without light and then with light. This was the Get Started video. For in-depth information, go check out the other videos.